first time ever.
Warning acts of terror.
We are ready to engage with a two-state solution.
Some of his most senior cabinet members
The drivers of a new economic age.
Welcome to MND Intel, the Futurists, where we break down major geopolitical and criminal intelligence stories with clarity and insight. Now today, Anmol Bishnoi, brother of the gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, has been arrested by India's NIA after being deported from the United States, a significant development in the fight against transnational crime and terror networks. Now, who is this Anmol Bishnoi? He is the younger brother of Lawrence Bishnoi, a notorious criminal syndicate leader. Now, Anmol has been absconding since 2022. He operated from the United States using a forged passport to evade law enforcement. Over the years, he was involved in a wide network of crime, not just gang violence, but also terror syndicate allegations. Now, on being deported from the United States, Anmol was immediately taken into custody by the National Intelligence Agency NIA. A Delhi court has remanded him to 11 days of NIA custody for interrogation. Now, the NIA originally sought 15 days of custody to deeply probe his network, financing, and even his role. Now, what are the charges on this Anmol Bishnoi? What is he accused of? First, terror gangster, syndicate role. Now, according to NIA, Anmol played a vital role in the terror gangster hybrid network led by his brother Lawrence and even Goldie Barar, who is a designated terrorist. He allegedly provided shelter logistical support and coordinated with shooters on the ground. He also allegedly ran extortion rackets from abroad using gangsters in India to raise their money. Second, he is a high-profile murder cases. He is wanted in the murder of NCP leader Baba Siddiqui. He is also linked to the killing of Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala. He is accused of providing direction and finance to operatives behind these acts. Third, about his terror and arms nexus. His role goes beyond gangster crime. The NIA charge sheet case RC 39/2022 alleges that his network is deeply involved in a cross-border terror-like structure. Now, this includes an infrastructure of funding, operatives, and logistics that links criminal gangs to terror activities. Why this arrest matters? Transnational criminal network. Anmol's arrest signals a serious blow to the international wings of the Bishnoi gang. His US base and ability to coordinate from abroad made him a key node in this gang's global operations. Second, terror crime convergence. This is not just an organized crime. According to NIA, it's a terror criminal nexus. The investigation could expose how gangster networks and even terror infrastructure overlap funding, planning, and execution. Third, the strategic intelligence opportunity. With custodial interrogation, NIA aims to map out Anmol's financial network, global handlers, and even operational logistics. This could lead to key breakthroughs, identifying new operatives, uncovering arms supply routes, and dismantling funding lines. Now, what are the risks and the challenges ahead? Let's understand the security risk. Anmol is a high risk detainee. The court has ordered his security and even medical monitoring. Network resilience. The Bishnoi gang may attempt to reroute its operations if Anmol's linkages gets exposed. There's going to be a long legal battle given the number of cases, gang violence, and terror and international dimensions. Legal proceeds could be protracted. So what is going to be the public and even the political pressure? High profile murders like Sidhu Moosewala's bring media and even political scrutiny, increasing pressure on the NIA for concrete results. It does come with strategic implications. First, the criminal governance. This arrest highlights how crime syndicates are no longer local. They operate like quasi organizations with financial, terror, and logistical mechanisms. Terror financing, if proven, the linkage between the Bishnoi gang and terror actors like Goldie Barar could even reshape India's counter-terror strategy, targeting organized crime as part of terror disruption. And that's what is reflected in my book as well. International criminal policy. Anmol was deported from the United States. This shows international cooperation in tackling organized crime. Operational breakthrough. The NIA could leverage this arrest to pressure other fugitives using intelligence gained from Anmol's custody. Now, whether NIA custody results in naming of new operative financiers, shooters, or even back channels, that we'll have to see. Money trail, where Anmol routed these entire funds, especially from abroad. Third, the links with Goldie Barar, how deep his terror connection was. And then fourth, what is going to be the court developments, whether he is remanded further or investigations lead to new charges. That's also going to be an important thing to have a look on. Fifth, policy impact, whether this arrest sets a template for dealing with these cross-border criminal terror networks. Anmol Bishnoi's arrest is a major tactical win for India's investigative agencies, but it's also a strategic inflection point. If NIA maximizes this opportunity, the operation could dismantle a powerful global criminal terror network. This is not just crime fighting, this is geopolitical intelligence in action. And that's all from my side in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Do share your thoughts in our comment section. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.